Yeah. Richman production. MGA represent. Smara Richman. Izzy Prato. Yeah. Kuzokwaziwana, kuqaqambani pikinini, qaqambani qala. 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 Yeah. Kuzokwaziwana, kuqaqambani pikinini, qaqambani qala ba. Yeah. Kuzokwaziwana, kuqaqambani pikinini, qaqambani qala. Do my own style and funa ubangililweni. No auto-tune and your fan kathi-pain. I keep it real, then isuke enhliziyweni. I-rap nayiphila, i-rhymes gijima kwi-veins. I-beat ndayikhila, lyrical imbililezi. Kumathi ngibhlungu, ndiyaluma okwentelezi. Le-rap andinandanga, this is not a cringe, andifundisa indakubhapha. I'm here to humiliate ezikhethi zinamachamba. Smara nqilekile rap ndibambe ngamabamba. Kudala ndizibabaza, Smara nqilekile sani god yesisiphaza. Usayfa ndiyadlakaza, lyrical neqwakaza. Wanna take me down, ntwana ngcono ufake izaza. Smara udangerous, umqala uzawubhoda. Shisa njengesuku mrephanyana ndiyamotsha. Yeah, zoginya njenge-anaconda. Yeah, Kuzokwaziwana, kuqaqambani pikinini, qaqambani qala. 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 Yeah, Kuzokwaziwana, kuqaqambani pikinini, qaqambani qala ba. Yeah, Kuzokwaziwana, kuqaqambani pikinini, qaqambani qala. Yeah, Kuzokwaziwana, kuqaqambani pikinini, qaqambani qala.
I'm the most read, the most realistic, the most feared, the most hated, cause my bars are necessitated. Hold you a grip like a damn paramedic. With these bars you'll find yourself behind in every angle. Gave you an L but you never learned from that. Gave him a spell cause you know this nigga red. Look, hate to explain when the truth behind the red. Give me a damn good reason, not a killer talking red. First of all, most men have always been my fan. They've always been the negative of what I do in rap. My biggest flop will turn your life to extent. I pray you pray the most so you can go and make a stand. Look, I paved my way, the industry is the shame. I walked through the shadows of death and I made my ways. I never needed nobody else and I stay the same. I never changed my ways and I pray you do the same, nigga.
I'm with a lot of people in the studio and if we influence heavy can khanyisa ngale flow, yeah. I'm not about the thing we really came in for, but I really would admire if you came to show us yours, yeah. And funny enough, this point is time to buy the scores. Ukafoneka stethile zikipsele metaphors, yeah. I'd rather choose to stay away from prematures, cause angikwazi no produce right ammonia mina pose, yeah. I act on tribal instinct, yeah. Kabulele sixhosa sana, ain't no misfit, nah. Thanda uzenza ibhoza sami without no ching, yeah. Sikarelelo lwathe sana ihlale kistin, yeah. Ain't got the flow without a purpose. Never leave it hopeless. I feed them on emotions and max it on endorphins, yeah.